Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the grammar portion, types of nouns. Let us recall what is noun. What are nouns? The nouns are the names of persons, places, things, animals, ideas, etc. In fact, a noun is a naming word. Examples: Sunil, Delhi, boy, cat, honesty, bravery, sadness, etc. In this slide you can see a table with 5 columns. First column represents persons, second animals, third places, fourth things, and fifth ideas. I am going to read only 3 examples from each section. Example for persons: child, girl, boy. Animals: dog, cat, bear. Place: park, school, store. Things: ice cream cone, helmet, bike. And the examples for idea: friendship, happiness, fear. Children, you have to read all the examples from all the sections. There are many types of nouns. We are going to learn some of them. Common nouns, second proper nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns, and compound nouns. Children, while reading, you have to check all the pictures in the slide. First one, common nouns. Common nouns refer to people, places, and things in general, like chair and dog. Any noun that is not a name is a common noun. In other words, common nouns pertain to general names. These are given in common to every person or thing of the same place or kind. Examples: boy, girl, book, city, chair, etc. Common nouns do not refer to particular persons, places, or things, but are common to all persons or things in a particular category. You can see the examples given with the pictures: teacher, car, music, receipt, etc. Here you can read some examples of common noun with the pictures. First one, teachers teach in school. Teachers and school are the common nouns. Teach is the verb. Birds live on trees. Birds, trees are common nouns. I love to read storybooks. Sally's mother is a doctor. These chocolates and cakes are so delicious. Children, you can see all the common nouns are highlighted with green color. The second type of noun is proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, places, or things. For example, Rohit, Nisha, Franz, etc. Remember that proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Also, the names of some of the well-known buildings are spelled with their first letters in capital. Examples: the Eiffel Tower, the Lotus Temple, the Taj Mahal, etc. Children, you have to remember, whenever you write a proper noun, you have to start with the capital letter. If you are writing the name of a famous building, you have to start with capital letter. See the examples written down. Jane, name of a person, it is a special name. Thailand, name of the country. Sunday, name of a day. February, name of a month. Oman, name of a country again. Superman, name of a hero. Aldea school, name of a famous school. You can see the pictures down to understand better. Examples for proper noun: my name is Mark. Her name is Sophie. Come Tom, let us go for a walk. Hello Jack, will you play with me? You can see all the proper nouns are colored and it started with a capital letter. 3. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are physical things that you can touch. It refers to the things we see and have physical existence. In other words, concrete nouns are people, places or things that we can experience with our 5 senses. Example, she put a book on the table. The noun book is a concrete noun. You can touch and see it. Children, see the example in the slide. Man, rice, table, tree, television, water, etc. All these things we can see and we can touch it. This type of nouns are called concrete nouns. Read the example sentences of concrete nouns. 1. The yellow flowers are in the garden. Yellow flowers is the concrete noun because we can see it, touch it, even we can smell it. Second example, this is my house. House is the concrete noun. Third, I am going to eat this ice cream. Ice cream is the concrete noun because we can see it and touch it. The teacher handed the book to the student. He is my best friend. Children, read all the highlighted words. These are the concrete nouns. Fourth one is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the opposite of concrete nouns. They are things that you cannot touch. Abstract nouns are ideas, concepts and feelings. In other words, a noun that denotes a quality, ability, feeling or emotion is called abstract nouns. Remember, the abstract nouns do not denote any physical object. Abstract nouns can only be understood or realized with our mind. You cannot touch or see an object denoted by an abstract noun. You can see the examples: happiness, courage, danger, truth, childhood, sadness, friendship, bravery, anger. These all nouns we cannot touch or see. We can just feel it. Here are some examples. Example 1. He has great strength. Sometimes it takes courage to tell the truth. Example 3. Their lives were full of sadness. People lost faith in banks. Alex had a fear that he would fall down. Children, you can see the abstract nouns: strength, courage, truth, sadness, faith, fear, happiness. All these words are abstract nouns. We will continue this portion in the next class too. Homework: write all the portions in your grammar notebook. Second, draw or stick pictures.